Welcome to DIY Home Lifestyle. I've turned our full blog guide from www.diyhomelifestyle.com into this complete video tutorial for you today. Be honest, how many times have you bought a fresh bunch of herbs from the grocery store, used just 2 leaves for a recipe, and watched the rest turn into slimy green liquid in your fridge a week later? It's frustrating, right? You waste money, you waste food, and worse, when you actually want to cook a quick meal, you realize you're missing that one key ingredient. But what if I told you that one tiny 6-inch pot on your windowsill can eliminate kitchen stress, save you hundreds of dollars every year, and make your everyday food taste like it came from a 5-star restaurant? Zero waste, fresh flavor, zero effort. In this video, I'm sharing the exact simple step-by-step method that turned my kitchen into an effortless, fresh mini garden. Even if you think you have a black thumb and kill every plant you touch, stick around until the end, because I'm going to reveal the number one mistake 90% of beginners make that instantly kills their herbs. Most people think starting an herb garden means buying 10 different pots, bags of expensive soil, and devoting hours every single week to watering and trimming them. But that's why most people get overwhelmed and give up before they even start. My journey didn't start with the big backyard, a greenhouse, or fancy tools. It started with sheer frustration and just one single basil plant. That's it. Start small to stay consistent. One plant teaches you everything you need to know: how soil feels when it's dry, how sunlight affects the leaves, and how trimming actually makes the plant grow back twice as thick. Once you master one plant, maintaining a full kitchen garden becomes completely effortless. Not all herbs are created equal. Some require way too much maintenance, special soil, or endless care. If you want maximum flavor with minimum effort, here are the top 4 herbs you should start with. Number 1, basil. Fast-growing and forgiving. Basil is an absolute kitchen essential. It grows fast and forgives small mistakes easily. It is perfect for elevating your pasta dishes, homemade pizzas, sandwiches, eggs, and rich soups. Number 2, mint. Virtually indestructible. Mint grows so aggressively that it is almost impossible to kill. It is incredible for making fresh teas, refreshing summer drinks, or adding an instant burst of freshness to salads and dips. Number 3, chives, low maintenance. Chives require very little attention and grow back continuously after every harvest. They add a delicate onion-like punch to morning eggs, baked potatoes, and fresh yogurt sauces. Number 4, parsley, versatile kitchen powerhouse. Parsley is surprisingly easy to maintain once established. It brings a crisp, bright flavor to almost any home-cooked meal. You don't need a huge farm or a big garden. You just need practical herbs that show up for you when everyday cooking feels rushed. Now, a common question beginners ask is, should you grow them indoors or outdoors? While outdoor herbs can grow bigger and faster, indoor herbs win for daily cooking. Why? Because they are right where you need them most, just an arm's reach away from your stove while you cook. Weather changes don't affect them. Pests are rarely an issue, and you don't need a backyard or outdoor patio. Whether you live in a large house or a small apartment, a sunny windowsill is all the space you need. Let's break down the basic tools and care routine you actually need to start today. 1. Pots with drainage holes. Good drainage is non-negotiable. Without holes at the bottom, water gets trapped, drowning the roots. 2. Access to natural light. Herbs love sunlight. A window that gets direct or indirect light for 4 to 6 hours a day is ideal. 3. Watering on demand. Never water on a strict calendar schedule. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. 4. Regular harvesting. Don't be afraid to cut your herbs. Pruning stops a plant from growing tall and woody, encouraging it to produce dense, bushy foliage instead. If you have a dark kitchen or prefer a clean, smart indoor setup, You can also use a small hydroponic countertop growing kit with built-in LED lights. These systems automatically manage light and water, making indoor gardening completely foolproof. Here is a quick pro tip on how to harvest properly without killing your plant. Never pluck leaves randomly from the bottom. Always snip right above a leaf node where 2 new stems are growing. This tells the plant to branch out into 2 new stems instead of 1, doubling your harvest every time you cut it. Also, timing matters in the kitchen. Soft herbs like basil and parsley should always be added at the very end of cooking or as a fresh garnish to preserve their delicate essential oils and vibrant green color. Hardier herbs like rosemary or thyme can withstand heat and should be cooked longer to release their deep flavor. Earlier, I promised to reveal the number 1 mistake that kills beginner herb gardens. Want to guess what it is? Number 1 mistake: overwatering with love. When beginners see their plant, they feel the urge to water it every single day. But overwatering starves the roots of oxygen, leading to root rot. The secret trick? Stick your finger 1 inch deep into the soil, or use a simple moisture meter tool. If it feels damp, leave it alone. If it's completely dry, give it a thorough drink. Mistake number 2, wrong placement. Don't place your herbs where they look pretty on a shelf. Place them where natural light actually reaches them. Without enough light, herbs grow thin, weak, and lose their strong aromatic flavors. When you start growing your own herbs at home, something subtle and wonderful shifts in your daily life. No plastic waste, no wilted greens, no wasted money. You stop throwing away plastic store packaging and half-used bunches of rotting herbs. Cooking stops feeling like a stressed chore squeezed into a busy day. Snipping fresh basil leaves or chopping chives creates a calm, grounding pause between work and dinner. Essential oils stay intact right up until the moment you cook, making simple home-cooked meals taste incredibly vibrant and satisfying. If you want to simplify your daily cooking, save money every month, and bring fresh flavor into your home, start with just 1 plant this week. For more creative home decor ideas, step-by-step gardening tips, and smart lifestyle guides, don't forget to visit our official website at www.diyhomelifestyle.com. The direct link is right in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more home cooks. Drop a comment below. Which herb are you going to start growing first? Basil, mint, chives, or parsley? And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming DIY home and garden guides. Thanks for watching and happy growing.